Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and I absolutely love household products that are multifunctional. These laundry hampers from Golden Ample are just that. These are super versatile. You can use them for so many things. This is a set of 2 laundry hampers. I have them here in a 120-liter size. They come in a variety of size and color options to choose from. And check this out. This huge laundry hamper collapses down into this really tiny, small shape that you can just tuck in a drawer. You can tuck it in your closet when you don't need it. So really easy to store and save space. I love that these are made from a cotton and polyester. So the inside is actually waterproof. So that is amazing. You can use this for so many things, even if clothes and towels and things are wet when you put them in here. Totally waterproof. It's not going to damage anything. So that is awesome. They have such a huge capacity. You can fit a ton of clothes in these, so that's perfect. And these handles make it really easy to carry from maybe your bathroom to your laundry room, or if you use a laundromat, this is a great way to transport clothes. So not only can you use these for laundry, these are perfect also for storing your extra pillows, extra bedding, toys, sports equipment, you name it. These things are gonna be awesome. They're super durable. Even though they are fabric, they can stand up on their own. There is a metal insert inside that helps it to keep its shape around the edge. And they're just really well made, really well stitched. So if you are in need of some really good size laundry hampers that can collapse down into this little space, then definitely check out these from Golden Ample. They are a great addition to any home, and that's my point of view.